Fly squad, what am I gonna do with this? Lou, I'm gonna chlorinate the pool.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you an important bulletin. Be on the lookout for a 2-inch long insect that answers to the name murder hornet and rips the heads off of bees. The murder hornet was last seen coming out of Lavotti's with 3 fresh mozzarella and 2 loaves of semolina. Approach with extreme caution.
Murder
We now
hornets?
return you to your regular programming.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Asian murder hornets! The hell is that? It's bad enough I gotta deal with the coronavirus. Now Asian murder hornets? What the hell? How do I prepare for that? What do I got? Wait a minute. I got the hornet spray. Okay, I got that. Fly squad. What am I gonna do with this? I heard these suckers are big. Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. Oh, my God. Here, I'll use this. Oh, my God. Asian murder hornets. What's next? What the hell was that sound? Where is it coming from? Oh, my God. First the coronavirus, now this. Why couldn't have been a green hornet? He was a good hornet. Are they eating all the meat and using all the toilet paper? Oh my God. What's next? Godzilla? An asteroid? Leave me alone. I gotta take care of the chlorine. That's what I'll do. It'll keep me busy, keep my mind on things. We'll get through this. We'll get through this. Yeah.